loves, welcome to my channel. If it's the first time watching me in this video, or if it's the first time on my channel, my name is Blessing Chiamaka and I'm a Nigerian baker. So in this video guys, we're talking about how to make, or let's just say I'll be teaching you how to make the perfect chocolate banana bread.
Like seriously guys, this recipe is so simple and very easy to make.
So do you want to see how I got to achieve my perfect recipe on chocolate banana bread? Then you definitely need to keep on watching guys.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So like I said in this video, we'll be learning how to make the chocolate banana bread. So the first thing you need to do is what try to grease your pan. Make sure that you can use a brown paper or a parchment paper for baking. Make sure you apply some butter or some oil, and then you make sure you grease your pan properly. And then the next thing you do what is to, while you're greasing your pan, you can actually what preheat your oven. Okay, then you match your bananas. In this recipe I use probably like 4 to 5 bananas. You can check the description box below to see the number of bananas I use. So after you're done mashing your bananas, you can use a fork, and then you try to sieve all your dry ingredients together. Okay, make sure that every of your dry ingredients are perfectly sieved. I added in my baking powder, my salts, and of course I added my cocoa powder. Now I actually use a Dutch cocoa powder, so you can use the natural type or you can use the Dutch, but then for baking, Dutch processed powder is actually the best for baking. So by the time you're done sieving, they just like what you're seeing in the video, you need to what give it 2 weeks. Make sure that you try to what bring out all the ingredients, the dry ingredients together. Okay, so after you're done with that aspect, you set it aside, and then you bring your mashed bananas, you add in your brown sugar, you add in your white sugar, and then you add in your vegetable oil. I actually have the classic banana bread on, I have the video on my channel. So if you want to watch how I actually make the classic banana bread, you can check my previous videos to watch how I made that classic banana bread. So back to this video, you can mix your wet ingredient together, just which is the egg, the vegetable oil, and the rest, so just like what you're seeing in this video. So by the time you're done with the wet ingredients, you add in your flavor. You can use vanilla flavor or you can use chocolate flavor. You understand? So you give it a slight tweaks, and then you mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredient. You can see my bananas are actually visible, so that's why it was a chocolate banana bread, right? So you try and make sure that you mix the wet ingredient into the dry ingredient, and then you fold just like what you're seeing here in the video. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, kindly click the subscribe button guys, and to get more video tutorials. Okay, so by the time you're folding, you can add in your chocolate chips. If you have any other toppings like chocolate, you can use it. So you fold gradually, and please do not overfold your butter when making banana bread. It's not really advisable like that. So make sure you fold your butter properly. Do not be tempted to keep folding and folding and folding. So by the time you're done with this, you pour into your loaf pan. You can use a foil plate to bake your banana bread, so it's actually what's really okay. For me, I use a loaf pan like this, but if you have a foil plate, you can actually use it. If you want to know what I'm talking about, go and watch the classic banana bread to see the foil plates I'm talking about. Okay, so you add in your topping. By the time you're done pouring the butter into the pan, add in your toppings like bananas, like chocolate chips, coconut candy, coconut flakes, different type, for just to make your butter, sorry, make the front of the cake yummy, or banana bread yummy guys. So okay, we are done with the chocolate banana bread. You can see it's actually ready. You can see the chocolate chips, it's looking so yummified on the cake, right? So the chocolate banana bread is ready, and I'm trying to bring it out of the loaf pan just like what you're seeing right now guys. I actually tasted this cake and it's so delicious. Like I said, I use the brown paper to make my chocolate banana bread. So you can see how it's looking so nice. So I want you to try this recipe and let me get to review. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, try to subscribe to my channel to get more video tutorial. Okay, and of course, like this video, share the video with your family and friends, tag your friends, for them to watch this video, and please continue to subscribe to get more video tutorials on my channel, guys. So I hope you do enjoy this video, and please, I encourage you all to try the recipe, and of course, when you do, please share your feedback with me so that I can get to see what you've done, guys. For those that have been sharing their feedback, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. So guys, you're done with this video. If you have any question, you can actually drop it in the description box below. The recipe is below. Just click on the description box to get the recipe. Okay, so once again, guys, thank you so much and have an amazing time while you find the recipe, guys.